Looking to work the brooms, I'm Joe Downs for the ACES Insider. The University of Evansville men's basketball team took to the floor at the Knapp Center in Des Moines, Iowa, with their eyes on the prize of a regular season sweep of Drake. However, the Bulldogs were still smarting from the overtime loss to the ACES 3 weeks ago. UE comes out red hot from beyond the arc. Evan Kuhlman opens the early barrage from the wing. Next, John Hall gets the rock, hoists it up, and knocks it down for three. However, Drake was out for payback, and the Evansville lead evaporates. Nick McGlynn with the baseline one-hander. Then, off the deflection, Trammell Murphy hammers the one-hand slam, capping an 8-0 run, and the Aces are down 4. Evansville gets back to the perimeter, and it pays immediate dividends. Evan Kuhlman with the top of the key three. Next, the Aces get defensive. Marty Hill goes for the pick, then dishes from the seat of his shorts to Noah Frederking, who finishes off the fast break in style. Then UE turns inside to Dainius Sakavicius, and the Lithuanian big man muscles in for the hoop and harm, giving Evansville back the lead. But from there, Drake ignites on the offensive end, going on a 7-0 run, and UE is back in comeback mode. Marty Hill gets the Aces back on track, draining the tough two in traffic. Next, KJ Riley slices and dices his way to the iron for the deuce, and one. He would complete the three-point play. Then it's Shamar Givens dialing in from the wing, and Evansville is still within shouting distance, down 35-31 at the half. However, the Bulldogs come out of the locker room on a tear, and their lead balloons to double digits. And despite the best efforts of John Hall and Marty Hill, who both finish with team highs of 13 points, the Aces can't keep up down the stretch, and they fall 78-66. After the game, head coach Walter McCarty was very unhappy with a certain group of people who were on the court, and they weren't wearing UE jerseys. What went on out there tonight?
Just an uphill battle from the start. Things didn't go our way. I thought a lot of inconsistent calls from the officials didn't allow us to get out and play the way we wanted to play. I've never seen 5 offensive screen fouls called in the first half like that in the first 4 or 5 minutes of the game, turning the ball over. So it's unfortunate. Our guys play hard too. I know we're picked to finish last in conference, but our guys play hard, and that was tough on kids when they know that the game's not being called the right way. So it's frustrating. We got to move on.
What was the message to the guys?
So keep your heads up. You guys play hard tonight. You got to continue to keep fighting.
Now the University of Evansville men's basketball team gets a couple of days to kind of rest up and lick their wounds, so to speak, after this one. They'll head up to Cedar Falls Friday and get set for a Saturday night showdown against Northern Iowa. For the Aces Insider, I'm Joe Downs.